Hello. Your Excellency. Thank you. Welcome to. Thank you for receiving us. Hello, sir.
Here from the German embassy in Jakarta.
German embassy.
We're doing a
Bitte Nugen, willkommen. Willkommen. Okay.
We're discussing that, we have had already for decades good cooperation on international fora, but also bilaterally between our two countries. What we are here now, what we have done in the past and what we will do in the future, we will continue our discussions, trying to scope the areas where we could have further cooperation which is bringing added value on both sides.
What area from the Finland to support Timor-Leste?
We're currently discussing the most recent technical cooperation, bilateral, and this is related to climate change, and this is meteorological cooperation that we hope that could start, or the final decision on the cooperation could be made end of this month, and it would be 5 years program with $6 million.
Thank you very much.